I have some unpopular videography tips. You don't need to shoot weddings to be a successful videographer. You don't need to go to film school to be a director or a cinematographer. In other words, you don't need a degree to be a professional. If you're someone just starting out making videos, or maybe you've been making videos for a while, but you want to learn how to make better videos, I have 3 tips I'm going to be sharing with you that helped me improve my video making. So let's dive right in. You can learn anything you need these days on YouTube and by hands-on learning. Just grab your camera, learn how it works, learn what each function does so you're more familiar with it. If you want to learn the top 3 fundamentals of photography, I'll leave my class in the description so you can learn how shutter speed, aperture, and ISO work to complement each other in the exposure triangle. Once you master these 3 settings and practice using them more and more, you'll be way ahead of the game. Learning how to use your camera in manual mode is important if you want to get the best quality from the camera that you have. When I first got my EOS R, the first thing I did was switch it to manual mode. Even though I wasn't a pro or didn't fully know how everything worked, I wanted to learn as fast as possible, as early on as I could, so I could get the best quality from this camera. Check the link in the description to get started learning about the exposure triangle on your camera, and I'll see you over there. Next is gear. A good camera is a great start, but before you think about upgrading your camera, maybe you want to get the next one, or new cameras are coming out all the time and you might want to get one of those new ones. A better lens is often better than getting a new camera body. You don't need to get the latest and greatest camera that's out there. I still shoot on the Canon EOS R, but I've switched to using L series lenses. When I first started out, I had a kit lens until upgrading to the EF 16 to 35mm lens. Then when I finally upgraded cameras from the 80D to the EOS R, I got this RF 15 to 35mm 2.8 L series lens. Now instead of getting a newer R series camera, I just kept this one and opted to get better quality lenses, which made the quality of the videos better. So if you're just starting out, using kit lenses is a great way to get started into photography and videography. Then later on you can upgrade to professional lenses to get better quality out of your camera. The L series lenses give you so much better quality than kit lenses, and that will save you both in having to upgrade your camera. So if you have an older camera, see if you can just get a better quality lens for it, and that will improve the quality of your videos. Finally, the best thing to do to improve the quality of your videos is to practice. Just putting in the reps, putting in the practice to refine your skills is one of the best ways to get better in your photography or videography. And if you really want to get better, bring your camera with you wherever you go. Learn to shoot in different types of lighting, learn to shoot in different types of weather conditions, whatever conditions you're in, so you'll know how it affects your photos and videos. You spent quite a bit of money on your camera and gear, so you don't want to leave it behind when you go somewhere. If you have a chance to pick it up and practice with it, be sure to do that. Another way to get better quality is to learn a new function on your camera, or try shooting with a limitation, like only shooting in one focal length. This RF 15 to 35mm lens is a wide angle zoom lens, but if I only stick it in 24mm and try to shoot throughout the day with it stuck in 24mm, it's going to force me to be more creative in my shots and learn how to overcome the limitation of only being in 24mm. I'm going to have to change my angles, I'm going to have to get closer in, I'm going to have to get further out or change things up, so I have to make that 24mm work for me. This will push you to be creative with your shots, learn how to overcome that limitation. So learning more about how your camera works, where all the buttons are, getting that muscle memory in so you don't have to look to where everything is when you're out there shooting, will improve your workflow, which will improve the quality of your videos. I hope these tips were helpful for you guys. If you have a tip for someone looking to get better in their videography craft, whether it's a photo tip or video making tip, be sure to share it in the comments. Check out this video next to learn my best trick to get more range from your zoom lenses.